Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Momomoto, and as you can see today I have very special device from Realme side. This is Realme 5 this time, and as you can see here the Realme has given the information that it has 5000 milliampere battery with quad camera setup. And one thing, if you can notice over here, this is the #1 quality smartphone brand of India, right? So these things which Realme have achieved just within 1 year span of time. And as you can see here, the information about the device is also given over here, and the price of this 3 gigs and 32 gigs variant is 10,999 rupees, but the regular price at Flipkart is only 10,000, and in some of the offers you can get it only at 9,000 rupees price tag. So now I'm going to unbox this device for you. So you can see here, this is the packaging of device, and which is very strong, I'll say. As you can see, I'm not able to even break the polythene of this smartphone. So the packaging is very nice, I'll say. Sorry for the inconvenience caused to you. I think this is very strong polythene what they are providing this time. Or you can also say that yes, my knife is not very sharp, so that is one thing which I am going to notice this time. It is very strong from all the sides. I don't know why this is so. They have packed it very carefully so that we cannot easily break this polythene. It is taking too much time. For sure I'll skip some part of the video for you, or I will make it fast at this point of time. Wow. So finally, if you can see here, I have broken the wrap. So this is the packaging. If you can see here, there is a seal pack from the brand side, and now you can have a look at the device. So finally, you can see here, the first thing what you are able to see over here is this box. Inside the box, and it says welcome to the Realme family. And the first thing what you are getting over here is this silicon back cover, and apart from that you are also getting some paperwork. And just keep aside these things and have a look at the device itself. So you can see here is the device Realme 5. So in the first impression, you can see the build quality and color of the device is very nice, and it is made up of plastic. And if I'll give you the physical overview, you can see here this is 12 megapixel camera, main camera, which is of f1.8, and just below that it is 8 megapixel of wide angle camera, and 2 megapixel for macro, and 2 megapixel for depth sensor. And this is a fingerprint sensor over here, and this is the LED light. And Realme badging this time is vertical, not horizontal. And you can see this is the front side of the device. Here is the front camera, and at the left side you can see here the SIM ejector tray, and here is the volume rockers, and at the right side there is a power button. At the top of the device there is nothing this time, and at the bottom of the device you can see here 3.5mm jack, along with two mics. One is for noise cancellation, one is the main microphone, and here is the charging grill, which is normal USB, and it is a speaker grill. So this was a physical overview of the device. Now you can have a look at the box content. So apart from that cover what I have already shown to you, it is providing you a charger which is of 10 watt and 2 ampere. It is a normal charger, not a fast charger. And this is the cable, which is I think normal USB to type A. Yeah, this is normal USB to type A. But one special thing what I'm noticing over here, that they are providing this yellow color. I don't know why this is so, but yeah, it is looking very nice. So now have a look at the device itself, and I'm going to boot this device. So till that point of time, I'd like to give you the specifications of the device. So this device is powered by Snapdragon 665, and which is 11 nanometer processor. So the speed will be very nice, and apart from that, this camera is of 13 megapixel. I have already given the specification of back cameras and back panel also. So if I'll talk about the performance, that will be definitely, I think if you'll compare this with previous Realme phones, it will be definitely a little ahead. But the display what you are getting here is just a full HD, just HD plus, not full HD this time. So I think Realme has done some compromise in the display, and which is not good, I will say, because at this price point the competition is providing full HD resolution display. Like if we'll consider the brand, the main competition brand, that is MI or Redmi, we can say now, that is providing you full HD plus resolution at this price point. So you can see here. But if I'll talk about the initial impression of the display, that is quite good, I'll say, because this is the SD plus, but in the first impression I am even not able to identify that is this a SD plus or full HD display. So display department, I'll say it's very nice. And now have a look at the cameras. So this is the first impression, is the camera. If you can see, the pictures are very nice in the quality. If you can see here, I'm zooming it to the maximum level, but the quality is still remained in that. And if I'll show you the front cameras, yes, that is also, I think, a lot improved now. If you can see, I am taking this shot just without putting any extra effort on settings, but still it is able to take some you know good pictures. So now if you will uh, try to take a detailed picture, I'll to say here some of the pictures. Let me do some research for you. Yeah, now you can see here every written word over this charger, you are clearly able to read. It means the quality of lens is nice over here. So in the cameras, it is very good, I'll say. And apart from that, it is running on Android Pie. I'll also show you that what all are the softwares you are getting over here. So as you can see, there's no update as of now. And if you'll go to about device, you can clearly see here this is running on Android P. And as of now, if you can see, you are getting here the security patch of August month. So I hope you will get soon the update of September patch also. And it has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of total storage in. And at the initial boot, you are getting here 20.5 GB available with this device. So which is also a good thing. You are not even you're getting a lot of blue boot bears there. Like you can see here, only you are getting here Netflix, I think, not Netflix, this is Opera News. So I think that is not very useful. Daily Hunt is also here. Facebook is already installed. We WPS Office is also there. Hello, I don't know what is this. And Realme Store, Realme Community, some game centers, UC browsers, Amazon and Paytm. So lot of blue bears you are getting with device. I think this is for the price cutting, I think, but from the customer's perspective this is not good at all, because you are getting here a lot of application which is maybe which is not useful for you. So I am just trying to uninstall some of those just to show you. Yes, the good thing about this is that you can uninstall these applications if you don't need. So I think that is good thing, no issues at all. just for advertisement you are getting some of the applications in the beginning. So overall, the first impression of the device is very nice, and I'll give you the detailed overview of the device after using it around 7 days. And if you really like the unboxing video, just hit like button and please subscribe my channel for more such videos, and stay tuned on Moto for such videos in future also. Thanks for watching. This is Arun signing off. Bye bye.